Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another video making slime by picking papers out of a bowl. So basically I'm gonna have all of the ingredients and things to add into slime, and I'm gonna be putting it in a bowl, and then I'm gonna choose ingredients, and then we're gonna be basically making slime with it. And at the end, you guys can comment down below which names I should name the slimes. So let's get on right with the video. Our first ingredient is star glitter. Okay, so the star glitter is this one right here. It's all of these really pretty glitters. So yeah. Teal glitter. Wow, so much glitter. Okay, so let's just move these aside. Teal glitter is in here. Here is the teal glitter. Okay, I think that's enough. That is enough. It's looking really glittery so far. Our next ingredient will be green food dye. Okay, let's move these again. What did I just do? You gotta be kidding me. Open this drawer here. Now we have some green food dye. 1, 2. So it's like a green, teal, glittery thing right here. I'm hoping for glue or some good ingredient. Here's a new one. We have some red Orbeez. We have them right here. They're not fully like made yet. They're still just growing. Let's say they're really small. They're supposed to be like this big, but they're like this small. So yeah. Oh no, they're jumping all over. Well, we have some red Orbeez and a lot of glitter and some food dye. Let's hope that we get something good. Come on, come on. We have clear Orbeez. Still not glue, but that's okay. Here are our clear Orbeez. I'll just put them in my hand and pour them in. That looks pretty cool. Okay. Hoping for glue. Come on, come on. Okay, please be glue. Gray paint. Gray acrylic paint. We already have food dye though. There we have gray paint. I'm really hoping for glue. Come on, come on. Oh, we got two. I'll just get this one. Finally, we got Elmer's glue. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was a lot. Okay. Oh, that's so heavy. Oh my gosh. And it's just a new bottle, so it comes out really fast. We have Vapor Rub. Vapor Rub. So it's not just any kind of vapor rub, it's baby rub. So it's basically vapor rub for babies. Oh, I just dropped the cap. Where's the cap? I'm just gonna scoop this out, just like that. And we're just gonna add it in. Come on, little baby, you got this, come on. Yay! We got. Come on, Olivia, go faster, get borax, come on. We got borax solution. Okay, so that's the end. Bye guys, I'm just kidding, you're so funny. Okay, so we have our borax solution right here. I'm just gonna mix this up. Okay guys, so as you can see, all of these Orbeez are falling out. Most of them fell on my floor, which is just great, isn't it? So I'm just gonna try to move all Orbeez into the middle, if I can. The slime isn't really good itself. It's very rough. I honestly hate the slime. But I think I would name this candy cane slime only because of the Orbeez, because it's red and white. Mostly red and clear, but still. Clear reminds me more of white than any other color because it's plain. Oh, I just smashed all the Orbeez off. Okay. So yeah, comment down below what you would name the slime. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, go ahead, dislike it. It's okay. So we're gonna go. Wait, what am I saying? So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys right in my next video. Bye.